Welcome to the End User Web Portal tutorial. This tutorial will illustrate the features of the portal and how to use them. We'll review call logs, listen to your messages, set up call routing rules, and edit your account and device settings. Before we begin, please make sure you have your username and password. To access the End User Portal, open a browser and enter the URL shown here. Please note, in some instances, your URL may be specific to your organization. Enter your username, password, and select Sign In. Once you log in, the Call Logs tab will be displayed. Here, you can manage call logs and access voicemail messages. Voicemail can be played and downloaded from this tab. Both call logs and messages can be selected and deleted as well as exported. Enabling the checkbox selects items that will be deleted. The event column shows the type of event, such as incoming, outgoing, missed call, and voicemails. The time column displays the date and time an event occurred. The duration column displays the length of the event. The contact and number column displays the name or the phone number associated with the event. The status column displays the voicemail state, whether it's read or new. Click this button to listen to voicemail messages. The message playback controls are at the bottom corner of the screen. By enabling the checkbox at the beginning of the screen, an action will appear on the right side. In order to confirm that the action was intentional, you must select the Remove button and then confirm it. The entry was now successfully deleted. To download all of the events on the call log screen, click on the Export Data to File button.